I know I haven't posted a YouTube video in a minute as it pertains to screen printing. I got some water-based adhesive on my platen. I'm going to show you guys how I remove it. First I go to Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, and get you one of these metal squeegees. And these are aluminum platens, and they have a rubber cover over them. So what I do is I spray it with some water and I let it sit for a few minutes, and then I take my metal squeegee and I simply just here, and it pulls it up. I don't know how well you can see that. And I just take a paper towel and wipe off the glue and the shirt fiber. And then I just come over here and do the same thing and just get the excess up like that. And it cleans up fast in just a few seconds. That's all it takes to clean up your platens. And then what I do is I just go back over, spray a little bit more water on it, and just wipe everything up. And everything's good. I just want to get back on YouTube and make a video. I haven't made one in a while. The last one I made, I was playing basketball with my grandson. So it's been a few months since I made a video, but I'll start back posting. But yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment. And the reason I'm using water-based adhesive is I may have done a video on this, but let me show you what I'm using. I'm using this here, water-based. I just squirt it on, and it's easy to clean up. It's the spray adhesive, which I do have some of that. Here, in case of emergency, just a little bit in here. But in case of emergency, I just keep a can around. But yeah, I don't use this here because it sprays everywhere. It gets on everything. And it's an aerosol. It gets in your lungs. So I use a water-based wipe-on adhesive. Alright, go ahead and like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I'm out.